Good day. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how to unban your WhatsApp, either your WhatsApp or your WhatsApp business account from WhatsApp. So kindly follow me to the end. In case you are watching me for the first time, please kindly subscribe and push on the notification button. When I drop a valuable content like this one you are watching right now, YouTube is going to notify you. Now let's go. Step 1. To unban your WhatsApp account, either your WhatsApp business or normal WhatsApp account, you will need to go to your browser, either your Android phone, iPhone, your PC, or anything. Search contact WhatsApp. Contact WhatsApp. Can you see it? It's gonna bring me to this interface right here. So this interface, can you see this one up right there? Contact us, WhatsApp Messenger support. To better assist you, contact us from your phone by opening WhatsApp. But that one, you know, they have banned your WhatsApp or your WhatsApp business. So if you are unbanning your WhatsApp business account, no need, just press the first interface this Google shows you. Now click on contact us. Loading. Now step 2 is bring me to this interface. Now we are gonna put in our details, just a little bit of your details, your WhatsApp number. You see here, I'm currently in Nigeria. Your email address. This email address, it does not mean the one that you have signed in to your WhatsApp, but this email address just mean way that WhatsApp can contact you. You understand? So put in your email address. How to use WhatsApp, either you are using Android, iPhone, web and desktop, or anyone. So currently now I'm using Android. So if you are using iPhone, you're gonna click on iPhone. If you are using desktop, you're going to click on here. And if you know that your options are not here, you can click on others. No. Now please enter your message below. This thing, you're gonna write just a little bit, maybe just like 10 words, so that WhatsApp can know more about your account and what really happened to your account. So this place, you just gonna tell WhatsApp that my WhatsApp got banned. Or we can just write, I made a little mistake and my WhatsApp got banned. Please help, comma, please help. So can you see this a little bit? What can I call it? Maybe message or write up or description that you just want to give to WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is just gonna view it as okay, I think this person really made a mistake, and they are just gonna open your WhatsApp back to you. So right there, you are gonna press next step. So the next step is just to review the question. So this is the full tutorial on how to unban your WhatsApp, either your WhatsApp or your WhatsApp business account. So in case you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button. When I drop a valuable content like this, YouTube is gonna notify you.